Hello kids! Let's learn some colors. Black color, dark green color, brown color, dark blue color, violet color, purple color, orange color, sky blue color, red color, yellow color. Let's learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Red color. A for aeroplane. Violet color. B for blueberry. Orange color. C for candy. Sky blue color. D for dragon. Purple color. E for elephant. Dark green color. F for flowers. Dark blue color. G for grapes. Red color. H for hen. Black color. I for ice cream. Brown color. J for jellyfish. Orange color. K for kite. Yellow color. L for lemon. Brown color. M for mother. Black color. N for nurse. Light green color. O for orange. Dark green color. P for pineapple. Purple color. Q for question. Dark blue color. R for rainbow. Red color. S for subscribe. Subscribe my channel. Light green color. T for tiger. Purple color. U for uniform. Pink color. V for van. Sky blue color. W for watermelon. Red color. X for X-ray. Dark green color. Y for yak. Violet color. Z for zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.